Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this session, I'm going to share you one of the biggest update for senior Java developers in terms of entry process nowadays. Okay, so actually I communicate with a couple of candidates who are working as a senior Java developer. Almost those candidates having experience. One candidate is having 8 years of experience and another candidate is having 12 years of experience in the platform, Java platform. So I communicated yesterday with them through LinkedIn. So they suggest me some entry process, the latest entry process and latest technologies they use to ask whenever they are taking the interview. So they both of the candidates have taken the interview around 30 to 40 interviews are they conducted. Okay, so those candidates says to me these are the technologies asking nowadays for senior Java developers who are having about 2 or 3 years of experience or at least 5 years of experience candidates also. Okay, so that is the reason I'm going to uploading this video. It may be helpful who are taking the interview as a senior Java developers. Okay, so first of all they suggest me. So nowadays, as a senior Java developer, they are expecting Java 8 concepts, not only core Java, not only core Java concepts. They used to ask number of organizations, number of companies related to Java 8 features about related to lambda expressions entry questions, okay, method reference entry questions, streams related entry questions, okay, functional interfaces, default method, optional classes, and a new date and time API. Okay, so these are the libraries, these are the features. They are mostly 40 to 50% of the entry questions asked from the core Java 8 features only. And then I asked them were they not asking about any core Java, I mean Java 6th versions like JDK 6 versions or not. But they said that they are asking, depends on the company, depends on the organization. Okay, so depending on the organization, depending on the company and interview panel, they may ask core Java 6 version also, but most probably they are expecting Java 8 features entry questions. 40% of the entry questions asked from these topics only, because these features will give most freeness for the Java developer. Most burden thing will reduce for Java developers related to these concepts. If you are having good experience in Java 8, then you must be get job without having any doubt. Okay, and one more thing, as a senior Java developers, and they are asking who are having above 5 years, they are asking Spring Boot as well. Nowadays every project will migrate to Spring Boot microservices level architectures. They are not using any traditional architectures. Okay, and I'm planning to go to upload another video like difference between monolithic architecture and microservice architecture as well. Okay, with a simple language you can understand easily. Okay, so now the Spring Boot related entry questions, how you are migrating a traditional project to microservice architecture level project. They are asking different types of questions. Okay, how you are going to submit your application in cloud environment. It might be AWS or Azure or GCP. So most probably nowadays IT markets are using AWS, Amazon Web Service cloud environment, and they are also asking about relational database management system as well. So you must have Oracle or SQL Server experience. Along with them, you should have experience on non-SQL as well. Non-SQL, that means MongoDB. They are most preferably asking MongoDB experience as well. Actually, MongoDB is not using for transaction management in the application development. They are using for to insert, to update, or to retrieve the data. For that purpose, MongoDB is giving most preferable performance compared to Oracle and SQL Server. But transaction management purpose, we are using Oracle and SQL Server such type of TBMS applications. Okay, so I can say in simple word, they are expecting companies are expecting multiple skills for a senior Java developers. You have to be must be experienced on Java 8 features along with core Java, and the same time Spring framework, Spring MVC, and Spring Boot. Okay, and also you should have experience on different database technologies like Oracle and NoSQL like MongoDB, and at the same time cloud environment services, most preferable AWS. Okay, and you should have one front-end framework experience required. It might be Angular or React. Okay, then you will be become a good Java programmer, a better Java program developer, and you will also expect more hike in any MNC companies. So along with these skills, they are expecting some DevOps tools like Docker, Jenkins, okay, Kubernetes. Okay, such maximum they are using Jenkins and Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, they are expecting for senior Java developers these skills, and then automation tool as well like Selenium. Okay, so you must have prepared these skills for senior Java developers because the trending is changing, keep on changing. Okay, so nowadays the trending IT skills for senior Java developers: Java 8, Spring Boot, microservices, DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins. Okay, and at the same time automation tool experience also required like Selenium or anyone, but most preferably Selenium automation testing tool. Okay, so these are the concepts must require for senior Java developer. And keep on update your skill sets, then you must be in a good position in the future. Okay, so they are giving this type of suggestion to us because you most probably unable to, you may not prepare Java 8 features most of the time, so you only concentrate on only core Java 6th version concepts only. Okay, so along with those concepts you must be prepared Java 8, because nowadays most 70% of the companies are asking entry questions related to these concepts only. Okay, that is the reason I am uploading this one. So please share this video to your friends also, because many people are looking for the entry process now, the latest entry process and latest skills. The most entry panels are focusing on these areas only. Okay, Java 8, Spring Boot, microservices, MongoDB, Oracle SQL Server. Okay, and any front-end framework technology like Angular and React. That's enough. You definitely get job. Okay, that's all guys. We'll meet in the next video. So thank you for watching.